This is the behavior why the local people killed it. Because they think...
After bringing down their prey, the wild dogs will share the meal with the rest of the pack. They are highly social animals, always sticking together through thick and thin. The hunt is over, and the wild dog has triumphed. They will continue their wild life with their powerful survival instincts and unwavering bravery. The cycle of survival continues, offering lessons in adaptation, resilience, and the power of nature. Although the hunt has ended, we must respect the life of every creature. Death is a natural part of the survival cycle, and the warthog has fulfilled its role. Ultimately, the wild dog's strength and teamwork prevail. They bring down the warthog decisively, showcasing their superior hunting skill. The tense chase begins. The wild dog, with its speed and agility, pursues the warthog with relentless determination. Every stride is filled with courage and raw hunting instinct. Wildlife is full of surprises, and in this moment, two creatures meet. The wild dogs have spotted the warthog, a potential target for their meal.
Imagine how fast that poor little rabbit's heart's beating now.
Alongside powerful predators, African wild dogs are also an important part of the food chain. They are masters of the hunt, using teamwork and strategy to overcome their prey. In the wild, every creature plays a unique role, contributing to the cycle of survival. And this warthog, driven by its natural instincts, is searching for a meal.